In order to find out the tire pressure for your Toyota RAV4, you will need to open the door, and on the frame you will see this label. And right here it says 36 psi for the front tires and 36 psi for the rear tires in our 2020 RAV4 hybrid. The maximum tire pressure will depend on the brand and the model of the tire. In this case we have Michelin tire on our RAV4, and the maximum tire pressure can be found right here. It's 51 psi, and this is the maximum tire pressure that this particular tire can handle. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.